what do we think of Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked? This is the trailer, and I don't really know what Demio is or whatever, but yeah, it's kind of it's very mobile game, isn't it? But it's coming to PS5 and Steam and something else. I'm not usually fond of these kind of games. I mean, these little cutscene bit looks alright, but it's just giving me real VTT vibes again. It's like, is this what they've done with it? But yeah, markers and a little tavern. And then I like how you've got your players. I do like that. If this was just a move your miniatures around game, I'm talking about Project Sigil, I suppose. But yeah, because it's coming to PlayStation, I'm like, do I give it a go? Customise your hero and all that business. But yeah, it's just like, effectively, you've got your little card pop-ups where you've got your moves. And strategy-wise, I think you can sort of decide who goes when. Oh no, there probably is an initiative, to be fair. Roll a d20, that's nice. That's he says it's a fail, and so things go wrong. There's a lot of other games like this, and generally speaking, it's not the sort of thing I play. But I'm bad with money, and it's D&D. But it looks pretty cool, themed around something I like. I mean, can you play it single player? I don't know. The Beholder's cool there. Yeah, I mean, let me know. I don't know what to feel. I have no emotion towards it.